Hi, good afternoon. Welcome back to a brand new vlog. Somebody is 2 years today. Hooray! Where is she? Okay, so what about my phone now? So it's official now. Mami Chewa is 2 years today. We've been happy since morning. Yeah, we are not doing much. Her parents, her dad did okay, so I don't know when you will be watching this vlog, but her parents are saying they will take us and the other kids in the compound to Nature in front of your corner. Nature in front of your corner. Capital View. So we'll be going to Capital View Hotel with the other kids. So what mommy will say. So Mrs. said the mommy Becca. So okay, and so that's what we'll be doing later in the day. But in the meantime, Oreku is preparing us some sumptuous Ghanaian live soup with a punchy and tilapia meba. Allah, missing them. We come on there 20 times. Or the soup bed, one full bucket, and what they are home. So what?
Yeah, I
can you're orange.
It's fine. Yeah.
So what do we have here?
We have here
Good.
and we've got what do you call it? Beef as well.
Oh, okay. Then China appointing. Sawala. Mokoki to have been so na menu one yes and
yeah, because they do nothing.
Hey, so let me see. Okay, mommy. Okay, so she had this when she was 1. It says baby boss Sewa at 1. So this auntie woke us up this morning. She was the first guest that we saw. And it's almost 5 p.m. She's now leaving. She came here before 8. Coco, you my job. You my job. Oh, Coco, stop it. Stop it, we don't want that.
Oh, God bless
we don't want that.
So much grateful.
Okay. We are also grateful. God bless you.
Amen.
Hey guys,
Amen.
wish her well for me. She's getting married in 2 days time. I'm bye. Okay. I from bye. We are going to the barbering shop. As you see my face pale like this, I just finished bathing. By the way, this boy here is not a man who, for in this video. The way this boy, Nana is standing it, you know. And of course, she doesn't want us to plait the hair. Not even touching it. She was crying. So I had to stop bathing, ran out to save her. Nesha was standing there aloof, not doing anything. She was saying, So to cut a long story short, we are going to cut the long hair short. Obedi. So let's final update. This is how far we came. But we shall come back. We shall bounce back better. Mommy say better. Where is she? This is her new look. Mommy, how much of kiss? I think she loves it now. But I couldn't show you how it went because it wented. It really wented. She displayed, yeah, so I couldn't show it. Well, Uncle P, 15 days, so
15 days.
me dey pass leave 15 days. After na me dey ba Monday na me dey ba. Oh, Baba, then they are. Bye bye. Hey. Okay, so bye bye. Bye bye.
I'm saying, say, when you da.
Just to stop on my knee. Why I'm finding fine. Okay, so today is Wednesday. Oh, Mama. Today is Wednesday. And it's 20th. And today is 20th, so it means we have 10 more days. And everybody, Eno and Rama is gone to the market. So it's going to be the three of us home because there are painters around working. And then these black things that you see, if you have issues with your wall, in the meantime, I am cleaning, I am washing, my shoes washing, I am washing. Okay, so I'm doing some few cleaning here and there. She's making breakfast for her baby who is hungry. Okay, so this one I want to talk about it. This design, I know it's very common with buildings in Ghana. This thing, I understand that it used to be on lands. Hey, first, no, no, what's happening in Chini Wumua, and yes, say, but these days there appears that the sand they bring for us to build with, Nina na papa, to basically baby, na ye BBC. So they first applied something to the cement, and on with the year we say, so later, no, then we got this paint. I'll show you the paint container. We got this paint. So this one, when they apply it, less than 4 hours, right? After 4 hours, then they will continue. So they will cover this with this sheet. I want to show you the bucket. So if you want some, but the cement, I wasn't here when they did that one. This is the paint they used. It's called A to Z waterproof. It is like a gum. It's gummy. When you touch it, it's gummy. So that is it. They would apply this, then after 4 hours they will use the normal paint. So far this is what we are up to. I'll show you inside where they have finished with everything. And I don't know why I brought for no crime back.